The recipe for pan-seared Mediterranean cod in tomato basil sauce is a delightful fusion of flavors that brings the essence of the Mediterranean right to your kitchen. This dish pairs the mild, flaky texture of cod with a rich and aromatic tomato basil sauce, enhanced by olives and capers for an authentic regional taste. To start, the key to perfect pan-seared cod lies in the preparation of the fish. Make sure your cod fillets are patted dry to ensure they get a nice, crispy sear in the pan. Season them generously with salt and pepper to enhance their natural flavors. Heating a bit of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking is crucial for achieving that golden crust on the cod. Once the cod is seared and set aside, the same pan is used to build the sauce, which helps in incorporating the flavors left behind by the fish. Begin by sautéing minced garlic and shallots until they are soft and fragrant. This forms the flavorful foundation of the sauce. The next step involves deglazing the pan with a splash of white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. These bits are packed with flavor and will enrich the sauce. Let the wine reduce slightly before proceeding with adding the tomatoes. For the sauce, canned diced tomatoes work perfectly, bringing both convenience and consistent flavor. They are simmered until they break down into a rustic sauce. At this stage, fresh basil leaves and a dash of dried oregano are stirred in, infusing the sauce with herbal notes that are quintessentially Mediterranean. To deepen the complexity of the sauce, add sliced black olives and a handful of capers. These ingredients introduce a briny depth that balances the sweetness of the tomatoes. The sauce should simmer until it thickens slightly and the flavors meld together. Once the sauce is ready, return the seared cod fillets to the pan. Spoon the sauce over the fish, letting it simmer gently in the sauce for a few minutes. This not only reheats the fish, but also allows it to absorb the savory flavors of the sauce. To serve, a final drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh basil can add a fresh, bright contrast to the rich sauce. This dish pairs beautifully with a side of cooked pasta, crusty bread, or a simple green salad to complete the Mediterranean dining experience. Pan-seared Mediterranean cod in tomato basil sauce is not just a meal. It's a journey through the flavors of the Mediterranean. It's perfect for a cozy dinner at home or a special occasion, offering a satisfying yet surprisingly simple culinary delight.